Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create a S3 bucket from Amazon account. So as you can see, I already logged into my Amazon account. It's my home screen. As you can see, my billing and the statistics and everything. So let's go ahead and then create one sample bucket, like a test bucket. So just to show you how to create a S3 bucket in Amazon. It's pretty simple and then straightforward process. Okay, so for now you can go ahead and then click on search here and you type S3. As soon as you type, and then you will see the pop-up, and then in the pop-up everything is mentioned related to S3 and then your keywords. So you select the first one, S3, you click on it, and then it will take you to the home page of this S3 bucket. So as you can see, I don't have any buckets, but if you have any buckets listed there, it will take you to the list of buckets. But for now it is not taking me because I don't have any buckets in there. It's empty. So I'm going to create one new bucket, but before that we'll just go through this summary page just like a glance. So see, you can see a video how it works. It's giving an introduction to S3 bucket or something, and benefits and features. It's listed everything there, use cases, and also the case studies. So if you want to go through everything, you can go through and then study them. It's written everything for your understandings, and then it is very clear for everyone if you just go through that. So for now I'm not going through each one of those, as my main objective is to create a bucket. So go ahead and then click on create bucket here. Okay, click on this one, and now I have to give a name for my bucket. So it should be unique. Let's say I give you some name like test bucket. I'm sure this won't go through, but we'll give a try with that. Okay, and then you go scroll down and then leave everything as default. Don't touch anything now. You can change it later whenever you want. It's no hurry now. Okay, so you can go down and then see ACLs disabled, recommended, and ACLs enabled. So it is different case scenarios, so I'll just leave it as default. And you go through scroll down here and then public access, but for now default access is block all the public access. But if you uncheck this one, you will get a warning below here. So it's not recommended. So you can go through all these things, but you have to check I acknowledge also. But for now I will not do that. So I'll just leave it as default, like block all public access. So that means my bucket is not facing to the internet users cannot access my bucket. That's pretty simple. For the bucket versioning, I will be creating another video or anything on this versioning thing. So just like a backup, but it's a different type of backup. So for now I'll just leave it as it is. So I'll disable this versioning. And tags, I'm not adding any tags, but I can try something like I can try something like key. I type name and then I type so let's say I type dev. This storage is for development team or something like that. Okay, and then I go bottom and then just scroll bottom. So you can see here default encryption. So I'll leave it as default. I'm not creating any KMS and then dual layer KMS. I'm not messing up with those things right now, because these are like in detailed and then different case of scenarios. So I'll just leave it as default as of now. You go down here and then advanced settings. As you can see, object logs. So you don't want to know about now all these things. It's very advanced details, like advanced settings. So I'll just leave it as default, and then I'll just minimize this one. It's set to disable already, so it's disable only. So yeah, and now I go ahead and then create bucket. As of now I don't see any scrolling here, but something might have happened with the name, like I said before. Yeah, you see the name already exists. So that means you have to have a unique name in the worldwide, the bucket name should be unique in Amazon accounts worldwide. So whatever the name you give, like just like your email or just like your username use for Yahoo or use for Google, Gmail, whatever it is. So you just need to give a different name, like put a number on it. I would say 224466. So this might be unique, hopefully. So let's give a try again and then see if this is going to create a bucket for us. Storage bucket. Yeah, now I can see it's loading, so that means that is gone through. So as of now I created a bucket name test bucket 224466, as you can see here, and also you can see on the message on the top says successfully created bucket test bucket 224466. Okay, I'm gonna close this notification, and now we will be able to add files into our buckets. Let's go ahead and then open our bucket, and as of now I don't see any files because it's empty, it's new, right? So let me try a test file to upload anything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and then click on upload here, and for now I didn't add any files here, so I'm gonna click on add files. In this case I don't have any files in my local system, so I'm going to what is that application, so I'm going to put one application like desktop icon. So what else I can put, let's say text edit. So the app, it is in zip format, so yes, and then so the file is ready to upload, and then you can set up different things here, but for now I'll just leave it everything. We'll go through in detail in another videos. So I click on upload now. Yeah, as you can see, the blue bar and then the green bar, the blue notification says on top is like it's progressing, and once it's done it's immediately popped up to green. So now that it changed to green, that means it's written here upload succeeded. So I'm going to close this notification, and I'm going to go back to my buckets here. This is the bucket we created. I'll just show you one more time. So I click on this one, and then all you see is the uploaded file just now. Okay, so that's how you upload a file, and that's how you create a bucket in Amazon S3s, and it's pretty simple and then straightforward process. There is no hassle, there is nothing at all. Everything is available by AWS Amazon guys, and then you just have to know how to do it. it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go back to here and I'll show you one more thing. So I'll go back to here, and then I already bookmarked my S3 by pressing star here. So as you can see, it is here actually. So I click on this directly, and then it will take me to the buckets list, or I go back and then I type here S3, and then it should be taking me to the bucket list. Yeah, but previously it's not taking me to the bucket list because we don't have any buckets. So it is by default it's taken to this S3 bucket home page, but now you go into the bucket list. So let's say you have like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 buckets list, so it will show you right up here. So this is how you create Amazon S3 bucket. It's pretty simple, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.